Okay guys, today I will show you the basic handle. This is generally called handle. I will fix the bit in the drill. Okay, this drill is normally this drill. Okay, when you want to put your drill bit in handle, you just have to hold it and move down the wheel backward and put your bit and fix in this hole very easily, and you just have to tie it from the handle this type. Now your hand drill is ready to now your hand drill is ready to work. Very working state, and it will be very easily to work, very easy. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. Thank you.